So yes guys, before the video start, me need you to like, share, comment and subscribe. And guys, please turn on post notification because you know now turn on the post notification for the post notification. Post them. Enjoy this video guys. Rum. Rum, my favorite rum. Yo, that woman they don't have no sense. Me say me got a woman bar and me order half dozen beer. And the woman only collect for 6. Me say me order half dozen beer and the woman only collect for 6.
Jesus is Lord.
That woman they don't have no sense. But as we may say, rum bar, you are my friend in a rum bar. Nothing else but a rum bar, you know. Hey boy. No sir, I feel like me need to take a rest. The rum bar here mash up my chest. Nothing like the great rum bar. No sir, the rum bar here strong.
Sir. Awa.
Jesus is Lord.
No. Subscribe.
Every gal want licky G like lollipop. Me take away a boy gal right on the spot. Me no power with no loot and the whole of we a chopping. A tilt up mark X ring 12 fat. Every gal want licky G like lollipop. Me take away a boy gal right on